In this video, we'll see what is the use case of filter in Excel. So to get the filter, one option we have is Shift Control L. So it will bring the filter here. To remove the filter, we have Shift Control L. So it will remove the filter again. So Shift Control L, Shift Control L to remove and add. Other than that, there is one more option we have is go to Home menu, and here we have the filter option. And under this, just select the filter. So you will see the filter is selected. So here I just wanted to filter it out only Australia. So deselect all and select Australia. So it will show me only the Australian players and their cricket details, like how many matches they have played and all. Okay, then again, let's see, we'll check for England and India. So it can show me India and England related information. Okay, if I want to sort it out England first, so I just need to click on sort here A to Z. So it will sort from England to India. If I want to see it from a Z to A, so it will bring India first and then the England. So this is how the sort functionality in the filter works. I will just remove the filter again, Shift Control L and Shift Control L. I will bring the filter again. So here we have a 1 day scores, 1 day centuries. So I want to see player who has made more than 40 1 day hundreds. So number filter and greater than 40. So there are only two players who has made more hundreds. So this is Sachin Tendulkar and the Kohli. So they have made more than 40 hundreds. Now, if I want to see less than 5 centuries, so let's see who are the players who has made less than 5 centuries. So these are all the players from different countries, and these are the players who has made less than 5 centuries. Okay, now I want to put a filter between filter. So I want to put a between filter like who has done centuries 30 to 20. So I want to see a players who has done between like players with a 20 to 30 centuries. So I just added this option and let's see. Okay, I just need to add the filter again between 20 to 30. So I just made a small mistake. I rectify it 20 to 30 who has made from 20 century to 30 century. So these are all the players who has done around more than 20 or equal to 20 or less than 30 or equal to 30 centuries. So these are all the players. So we have Saurav Ganguly part of this list. Okay, great. So this is how the filter functionality works for numeric values. Now there is one more filter where I can utilize or more useful in the text also. So for example, let's say in the text filter, I will have and I have the beginnings with. So beginnings with I want only people begins with M. So let's put begins with M and okay. So you will see all the players with begins with M are showing up here. So this functionality is also good functionality which can be utilized, or you have the contain option. So let's put contain. So what I will do is I will put Dhoni. So it will show only one filter. So this is how the filter functionality works and we can utilize in our day-to-day Excel work. Thanks.